For the majority of us who enjoy drinking a fine soda, we often wonder if we can make our own drinks. Well, thanks to our lovely researchers here at the ReviewTube channel, you can make your own soda-making dreams a reality thanks to our list of the top 5 soda machines available on the market today. Whether you make them for yourself and your family, or for a big party, you can enjoy a sip of your home-brewed soda anywhere you go. So let's get started with our review. At number 1 is the SodaStream One-Touch Electric Sparkling Water Maker Kit. SodaStream is one of the oldest and most popular makers of at-home soda machines and has been around for more than a century. With the SodaStream Sparkling Water Maker Kit, you can turn any plain water into refreshing sparkling water within seconds with just a touch of a button. Thanks to its sleek and compact design, this product fits into any home or office. The slim design has its dimensions of 11 inches in length, 17¼ inches in height, and 6 inches in width. It weighs just under 7.5 pounds. The product features the proprietary snap lock technology, which makes the insertion and carbonation of the BPA-free carbonating bottle quick and efficient. There are also 3 levels of fizziness you can choose from, and you can easily select it at the touch of a button. Each carbon dioxide cylinder can carbonate up to 60 liters of water, ensuring there's plenty of fizz for each one. This product is compatible with all the flavors that SodaStream offers, as well as their carbonation bottles, except for the SodaStream glass carafe due to the glass carafe having a wider dimension than the ordinary carbonating bottles. SodaStream continues to work on eliminating the need for single-use plastic bottles for cleaner, greener environment, and the product's reusable bottles can easily fill the need for old plastic ones. The product comes with a SodaStream Sparkling Water Maker, a 60-liter CO2 cylinder, and a 1-liter BPA-free reusable carbonation bottle. At number 2 is the DrinkMate Sparkling Water and Soda Maker. This product is able to carbonate any drink without the need for CO2, something that's surprising amongst other soda makers. Thanks to the DrinkMate Soda Maker, you can go beyond the ordinary sparkling water and create delicious fizzy juices, iced teas, lemonades, cocktails, wine, and so much more thanks to the Fizz infuser technology. This is the ideal product for those who want fizzy drinks other than sparkling water. It's easy to use and it's fun, it's easy to clean, and surprisingly doesn't need any electricity or batteries to run. It makes it a fun gadget to bring with you when you're going out on your next camping, fishing, or hiking trip. Its dimensions are 8 inches long, 5 inches wide, 16 inches tall, and weighs 3 pounds. It's small enough that it can fit within your counter space easily, and you can even place it in your office. The DrinkMate Soda Maker can use all brands of 60-liter CO2 cartridges that are sold all over North America, but they're not included with this product. Even though it's not included, being able to fizz any drink will allow you to create unique and wonderful tasting beverages in the comfort of your own home, so let your imagination go wild with this handy device. The product includes the DrinkMate Soda Maker machine, a 1-liter reusable carbonation bottle, as well as the Fizz infuser, and it currently comes in a royal red color. If you like any of the amazing products you see here, give us a like and also subscribe to our channel so you can watch more videos just like this one. If you have a product in mind you'd like to see us review in the future, just let us know in the comment section. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video. And now back to our list. At number 3, we have the DrinkPod Soda Maker, Fizzy Sparkling Water, and FizzPod Soda Maker. This product is a soda maker, a cocktail machine, and a fizzy kids drink maker all in one. Whether you use this product to fizz sparkling water, carbonate your favorite juice, or even be so bold as to carbonate a drink with ice, it's all possible thanks to the DrinkPod Soda Maker. You can even use it on oils, liquors, fruits, and herbs. You name it, and this soda maker can handle it. It can even bring back fizz of flat beer. The DrinkPod FizzPod is simple to use and easy enough for anyone in the family to use it, and it's loads of fun. All you have to do is fill the bottle with any beverage, tighten the lid, and push the lever, and you're instantly done. It's all thanks to the 2-step gas relief and split injection pipe that lets it be usable on any beverage. This modern soda maker is lightweight and convenient and uses standard-sized 60-liter CO2 cylinders. It can use any brand of CO2 cartridges. Be wary though, as this product does not include one. Create whatever kind of drink you like with minimal effort to maintain. Cleaning the device is not complicated. All you need to do is rinse the cap, rinse the bottle, and change the CO2 bottles every so often. It's that simple. This product package comes with a soda maker, the carbonator, 3 polyethylene PET bottles, 3 caps, the Fizz infuser, and an instruction manual. It has its dimensions of 9 inches in length and width and 19 inches tall. At number 4 is the KitchenAid Sparkling Beverage Maker. When you think of KitchenAid, you think of high-quality products. It's a household name that's been known worldwide and used by most chefs thanks to their great stand mixers and other appliances. The first thing you'll notice about this product is its bulk and size. This makes the product sit on your kitchen countertop full time. Lucky for it though, the product is durable and built to last, just like the other products from KitchenAid. It's made from a premium die-cast metal housing, making the product very sturdy and tough. The KitchenAid Sparkling Beverage Maker has a carbonation lever with a soft grip handle, allowing the user to easily use the product without bruising your hands. If you want to use the product, all you have to do is fill the 1-liter BPA-free reusable bottle with fresh water. Then pull the carbonation lever to fizz your desired level of carbonation. At this point, you can simply enjoy your carbonated water, or you can add flavoring of your choice. However you choose to enjoy your fizzy water, it's completely up to you. The product is powered by SodaStream, making it highly compatible with other products. This also allows you to have the ability to use over 60 flavors, ensuring you'll never run out of options to choose from. The KitchenAid Sparkling Beverage Maker includes the 60-liter CO2 tank and a 1-liter BPA-free reusable bottle. At number 5 is the Bonnie-O Beverage Appliance. Enjoy your fizzy, sparkling water and drinks at home while replacing those sugary drinks with a wonderful product. The Bonnie-O soda machine is quite similar to the DrinkMate sparkling water and soda maker due to it not needing the CO2 to carbonate your beverages. No matter what ingredients you put in the product, you'll be infused with intense flavor thanks to the One-Touch single button. It comes incredibly convenient and simple to make fizzy drinks when and wherever you want. Turn anything into a fizzy beverage, whether it's water, fruit, tea, liquor, herbs, you name it. The Bonnie-O can make it sparkle. Simply put very cold water in the bottle, place it in the machine, add syrup or other flavorings in the flavor compartment, and the carbonator puck in the carbonator compartment. If you don't want to add flavor to your drink, simply add water to the flavor compartment. The product's dimensions are 15 inches in height, 7.5 inches wide, 13.5 inches long, and it weighs just under 9 pounds. It comes with 1 reusable bottle and 3 carbonators. If you need more carbonators, they're easy to order online. The slim, sleek profile lets it fit inside your kitchen cabinet when not in use, and it's light enough to sit in your office. And there you have it, the top 5 soda machines. Hopefully this list helped you in your buying decision. If you have any other products you want to see us review, just let us know in the comments section and we'll get to work. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends and family. Also, if you hit the bell icon, you'll be updated when we release new videos. That's all for now. We'll see you next time right here at the ReviewTube channel.